Instant Savings Explained, a simple guide to a smart shopping phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the world of shopping and finance: instant savings. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it has a specific meaning in certain contexts. Let's dive in and understand what instant savings really means and how you can use this knowledge in your daily life. Instant savings refers to a type of discount or reduction in price that a customer can benefit from immediately at the time of purchase. Unlike traditional discounts, which might come in the form of rebates or future credits, instant savings are applied directly to the purchase price at the point of sale. This means you pay less upfront, without any additional steps or waiting periods. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. If a smartphone originally costs $300 but has an instant savings offer of $50, you only pay $250 at the checkout. In a grocery store, a product marked with instant savings of $2 means that if the original price was $10, you now pay $8 at the register. It's important to differentiate instant savings from other types of discounts like rebates, where you pay the full price upfront and receive a partial refund later. Future credits, which give you a discount on your next purchase rather than the current one. Instant savings are often advertised in store flyers, online banners, or directly on product labels. Look for tags or signs that specifically mention instant savings, or similar terms like instant discount or pay less now. To benefit from instant savings, always be aware of the original price to ensure it's a genuine offer. Read the terms and conditions, as some offers might require a minimum purchase or be limited to certain products. I hope this video has helped you understand what instant savings means and how you can take advantage of these offers in your everyday shopping. Remember, a smart shopper is always an informed shopper. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting phrases and concepts in the English language. Happy learning and happy shopping!